Hi friends, this is your spelling test for Unit 27. Make sure your name is on your paper and that you write very neatly, because if we can't read it, we have to count it wrong. Word number 1, arm. She got her arm stuck in her chair. Arm. Number 2, horn. The car behind us honked its horn when the light turned green. Horn. Word number 3, star. Did you know our sun is a star? Star. Number 4, born. On the day you were born, that is called your birthday. Born. Number 5, car. Do you come to school by a bus or a car? Car. Number 6, cord. The charging cord for her Chromebook was all mangled. Cord. Number 7, torn. Her spelling paper was torn. Torn. Number 8, barn. There are 6 cats that live in the barn. Barn. Number 9, corn. The farmer will grow corn this summer. Corn. Number 10, far. The back playground is far from our classroom. Far. Okay, friends, that's your spelling words. Here are your 3 dictation sentences. Sentence 1, how far is that star? Sentence 2, the shirt was torn on my arm. Sentence 3, the horn on the car was going off in the barn. Okay, that completes your spelling and dictation sentences. Remember to go back, rewind if you need to. I hope you did well.